Hey guys, Lance here with Transwest Trek Trailer RV. Today I'm going to have you come with me and we're going to take a look and see some of the recent trades that we just got in. We got some really nice stuff to show you. Now one nice thing about Transwest is we don't sell new trailers or new fifth wheels here. Our focus is luxury motorhomes, like for instance this brand new 2024 Newmar King Air 4596 model, has a full walk-in pantry, absolutely gorgeous. And we just got this 2021 Newmar King Air. That was a recent trade. And then this gorgeous Cornerstone. This is a 2024 Cornerstone 45Z. That's going to be a 600 horsepower motor. We've got a 2022 American Dream 39RK. That's going to have the 450 Cummins. And some of these really nice, like the Verona LE I got here. Got a nice Renegade XL with the 600 Detroit in there. So just some really nice inventory. And I got a couple more used ones here in the shop we're going to go take a look at. But before we do, we're actually going to go check out something that I think you guys will really like. It is a really unique floor plan. This is something that Winnebago built. It was called the Winnebago Horizon, and it's going to have the 450 Cummins. It's got three ACs on top for a 40-footer. That's fantastic. And just a super, really cool floor plan. Very modern in design. Interior, ultra modern. And I think you're going to really like that coach. If you give me a call, I can give you a little bit more information on that as well. I know we just recently took in a 40-foot Ventana. I believe it was a 2022 tag axle. I didn't see that around, but I can get you information on that as well. We've got this Phaeton off here to my left. That's going to be a 2022 Phaeton 40 QBH. And let's see, we got this, now this is another recent trade that we took in. It is a 2021 Newmar King Air. We haven't even got a stock tag on this yet. No idea what we're going to be asking for it, but we'll get you more information. If this is something you're interested in, I'll try to get you an MSRP, get you some other things, and then when we get a chance to get more pictures of the interior and exterior, we'll get them sent your way. Another neat little motorhome we just took in is this really nice 2025 Airstream Atlas Tommy Bahama. It's the one that's equipped with the lithium batteries, so it's all electric coach, super neat. And then this 2016 Winnebago Vista 31KE. This thing came in like new condition. It was a farmer, retired farmer, bought a diesel pusher from me, but I'm telling you what, this thing came in so nice. This is a great deal. Sold the ATC, that thing went quick. There's the Ventana we were talking about. That's the 2022 Newmar Ventana 4037, sitting on, it's got a tag axle. We've got the 2019 Insignia, oh, we'll take that sold. Well, a lot of this nice stuff would move pretty quick. Let's see what this Ventana is sitting on. That one's going to be on the Freightliner chassis. Looks like it's already got the air supply back there. So if you got an Air Force One, you've already got your airline back there. And then we got some really nice folks that just bought this London Air from me. They're right in the middle of doing a transfer from their Dutch Star to their new London Air. But what's really nice about this Dutch Star is it's a 2023 Newmar Dutch Star 4328 model. Super nice. It's going to have the power window awnings, and that one is going to be sitting on the Spartan K2, so that'll have the 450 Cummins. It's got the air supply back there for the Air Force One. So a lot of nice stuff, guys. And we've also got some really nice used, a couple more, I think, Class Bs. I think we've got an Airstream Interstate that we got. Now we have some really cool 4x4 all-wheel drive Class Bs that we just started carrying, called the 27 North product. But let's see what this is. We've got the 2019 Airstream Interstate EXT model. That guy we just got in. Then we got that nice beefy all-wheel drive. You want to go in some rugged terrain, you can do it. We got some Pleasureway Class Bs here. Got the ones on the Ford chassis. Then we've got this used 2024 Airstream Interstate 24 GT. Super cool model. We just got that one in. Then another little short little Pleasureway Ascent. So a lot of really nice inventory here. We're going to swing back over here to the north lot and take a look at the units we got here. We got a nice used Winnebago View. We've got this nice used Super C. It's a 2021 Nexus Ghost 37D. Got some nice brand new Winnebago Spirits. We got that used 2024 Winnebago Sunstar. We got the new Grand Star by Newmar. Absolutely beautiful coach. We got some Ventanas here. We got Ventanas, King Airs, you name it. We got a lot of nice coaches here. But I really want to pay attention to this used 2022 Ventana that's sitting on the Spartan K2 chassis. It's a 4369 model, Newmar's #1 floor plan. And then we just got this this beautiful Allegro bus. This is the 35 CP model, and that will not disappoint. Absolutely gorgeous, inside and out. Beautiful paint job, beautiful interior, and that does it for our tour today, guys. If you're interested in a really nice luxury coach, or if there's something in particular that you're looking for and we don't have it, give me a call. I'm really good about hunting down, finding something that will fit exactly what you're looking for, budget-wise, floor plan-wise, or if you want to just get together, maybe trying to order a new coach, I can definitely help you there as well. Again, this is Lance here at Transwest Truck Trailer RV, located out of Belton, Missouri. You can reach me at 208-290-5750. I look forward to hearing from you.